Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, we are going to be buying the goo mask. Yep, that's right, I've saved up for this moment. The demon mask and diamond mask are coming soon. I just need a couple of more stingers and we got that done. Probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Or from when this video comes out, I will be posting that actually. Alright, so let's... Somebody got the Cadwood badges. Now, I can't wait for Beastman's Part 2. Only problem is that we need the goo mask to get the quest. Which, well, I have. But we need the goo boots. Goo boots. Whoa. Though I'm not going to be able to get these in time because I need 99 glue. I can get the 300 red extract, blue extract, and glitter. But not this. Okay, let's go grab some courage real quick. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, craft. Craft. Yes. Look at that. We find. Look at. Yes. Got the goo mask. Now let's see what this does. Okay, so we have 75% goo. What's that noise? Huh. 75% goo. 10% goo, convert rate 1.25 white pollen, 25% pollen, 1.5 capacity. It went up from 13 to 16, I think. 30% defense rather than 25. 20% of B ability. Passive coins. Oh, needs honey mask. Passive goo morph. Okay, so let's hold on a second. Let's grab this goo. Reset this character and let's see what. After catching 10 gumdrop ability tokens or using 30 gumdrops, covered the entire field with goo transforms you into Goo Bear, granting 75% pollen, 100% goo conversion, and grants a Gooby. Answer your Gooby for 10 seconds. Oh wow, that's a pretty big morph. Now I don't have, so we're just gonna have to roll the dice quickly. Ooh, mountain dove, that's alright. No white pollen though. Okay, let's roll another one. Strawberry. One more. Coconut. Ooh, that's good. Let's head over there. Wait, we can use this actually. Wait. Oh, so it counts up. Alright, that's more efficient use. Alright, let's get this going. So either 10 ability tokens or 14, well, 10 goo ability tokens or using 30 gumdrops, and we should get this soon. Okay, so let's use a red extract, blue extract, oil, enzyme, tropical drink, and let's see what we can make in 10 minutes. Ah, there it is. Look at this. Oh, that's cool. You get to turn into Goo Bear. This is a great ability. So it lasts only a couple of seconds. Where is the capacity coming from? Oh, capacity. Is the capacity from the field? I have no idea. At least I gotta buy. Alright, I'll meet back up with you guys in a second. Oh, there. I just got the coin scatter ability, which is pretty nice considering, well, considering I have the honey mask. So I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes and see how much pollen we can get in 10 minutes. You know, one thing I noticed is that my backpack fills up way too fast for you to do a good boost without using converters. Now I'm not using converters to gain less honey. I know I'm gaining less honey, but I'm doing so I can really get the least amount possible to get to see like how much on average or less you would make. I don't know. I can't speak to that. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Somebody summoned a meteor shower. Okay, so I just realized it's on the goo mask. It's 1.5 white field capacity. Now, isn't that nice? So we're coming to the end of the stretch here. I probably only can fill up my backpack once because I only have 21 million. 34 million apparently. It was 27 just a while ago. So let me show you the ability one more time before you guys get to go. On goo, 22, 23, 24, 27, 28, 9, and 30. And Goo Bear. Now, just being lazy. Oh, I just missed it. So I would say, no wonder the endgame players make so much honey and money. So I would say just being lazy, I earned 1.3 billion out of that, which is very good just from a goo mask on a white field. Now, do I recommend it? Yes. Do I recommend the boots? No, because all the boots do is just give you goo wherever you go consistently. And you gotta waste a lot of time for that. I'm not really worried about it these days, but it's up to y'all to buy it. Obviously, for Beastmas Part 2, you do need the mask. And you need the boots, but I got the Cocoa Cogs. But, you know, Honest's just making the game so hard. Ooh, snowstorm. Boink. Ah, see, he's got the goo boots. Oh, I didn't realize my backpack was full. Grab, gotta run, get these snowflakes. Gotta use it to buy stuff in the catalog, especially. Now, I wonder if Honest's gonna be adding more stuff to the catalog before the Christmas Part 2. Tell me in your comments what you guys think. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe. And the next time, thanks for watching.